What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, carrying on with the Fold 7, we've took away the rings from the actual camera. Now, Spigen have gone ahead now, and because we didn't get them for the S25 Ultra because we had them rings around, so you couldn't really fit these, but now we've got them back again. This right here is the Easy Fit optic, so it goes on the actual cameras and it's like a little lens protector. So do you need these or not? Let's find out. Easy installation, real glass, oleophobic coating, 9/8 surface hardness, and Spigen case friendly. Okay, so little installation tip before applying. Move that out the way. You get two lots of lens protectors. You get your dust removal stickers. You get a little pry tool for when you want to take them off, and a little microfiber. No like wet wipes or nothing like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and give them a quick wipe over. So you're going to give them a quick wipe, get all the dust and stuff off them, and fingerprints if you've had stuff. Like I've had cases going on and off this, so it is a bit fingerprinty. But just give them a good clean. And you're going to take one of your dust removal stickers and you're going to dab over anywhere you see like little bits of dust. Okay, next up you're going to take these, you're going to peel off the back, you're going to place it over like so, and then you're going to push down on each one. Just push it down, give it a good rubbing over, make sure it adheres. Now obviously the thing for me is I don't have another Fold 7 to show you any before pictures, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you pictures at the end. But is it really worth having lens protectors on your phone? Now for me personally, I've done these videos in the past and it's always worked out. It's like a sort of 50-50 balance of people that want them and people that don't. Now if you don't use a case on your phone and you drop this, it's a lot to get fixed and it's going to cost a lot. Whereas having this on it, which is going to cost God knows how much, I mean like £10, $10 maybe. I'm not too sure, I haven't seen prices for them yet. It's going to cost you about that, and you're going to protect your phone and you're not going to have to pay out all that money. You just get another set, or you use the second set that you've already got inside. Go ahead and give them another good rubbing over and they've already started to come off, and there we go. So there we go, there's the difference. Because it's got the ring protectors on now, it's got them lens protectors on. So it looks good. It's added a little bit of an aesthetic now because you got them black ring protectors on there. And with the blue, looks really good. If I do this, as you can see where it's up and above just the lens itself, but it's not going to cause any issues when it comes to taking your pictures. In fact, if anything, it's going to be like they're not even there. I've noticed, like I know a lot of people go on about like lens flare, etc. Sometimes lens flare adds to a photo, depends what you're taking. But I've noticed having these on in the past, they've never really affected the photo in a way that's caused any harsh, like hollowing or shadow effect. Never caused anything like that. The optics on them are fantastic. It goes right through to the camera. In my personal opinion, there's no real effect to it. I mean, it hasn't any darkening of the photograph. It hasn't caused any issues when it comes to actual real life. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these outside. I'm going to show you guys some photos right now and you let me know what you think. So let's roll the music, let's roll the pictures, and you tell me what you think of having lens protectors on your phone, and will it protect your brand new £2,000 device. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is it something you would consider going for? I'm going to leave links to these down below, along with cases and screen protectors. But what I am going to do is I'm going to throw on the Spigen Tough Armor case that we used in the last video, just so you guys can see that it works with cases. Now I don't know whether it's going to work with all cases. I am going to leave them on for the next few case videos, or the next case video if it doesn't fit. There's the Spigen one. Fits in perfectly into their cases, so it's Spigen case friendly. I do have the Spigen screen protector on. There's the Spigen case. Shows you it works perfectly with the Spigen cases. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Would you go for these lens protectors on your phone? As I say, I am going to leave them on, and I'm going to see if it fits in with a few different cases that we're going to have coming in the next few days, so that you let me know if there's anything you want to see. If you think you'd put these on your phone, let me know if there's any cases out there you want me to check out with these lens protectors, and I'll try and make it happen for you. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave links to everything down below from Spigen. It'll be the same list in the last couple of videos. Check them out. Plenty of links down there for you guys to check out for your new Fold 7. Huge thank you to Spigen for sending these out as always. But if you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.